Hello, today's topic is a larger cube or cuboid is painted and cut. Larger cube is painted with a single color. So we are going to discuss about the smaller cubes with one painted face. Okay, with one painted face. Firstly, we discuss about this. So first we draw the diagram of a cube. So this is the cube. Okay, so in here these portions are our required portions. Okay, so smaller cubes with one painted face is nothing but the central cubes, and they are neither attached with any edges nor corners. So as you can see, these portions neither attached with any edges or nor in any corner, and this defines as brown colors. Okay, as this brown portion only once exists and in each surface, and there are six surfaces in a cube, hence number of smaller cubes having one surface painted must be 6. If a cube is made up of if a cube is made up of n cube smaller cubes, then number of smaller cubes having one face painted on each surface of cube is equals to n minus 2 whole square. As a cube has 6 surfaces, therefore our required number will be 6 into n minus 2 whole square. So as we can see in this figure, each side of larger cube is equals to 3 centimeter. Okay, each side of larger cube is equals to 3 centimeter, and each side of smaller cube is equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, therefore here n is equals to side of larger cube, that is 3, divided by side of smaller cube, that is 1. Therefore n equals to 3. Therefore the number of smaller cubes having one surface painted is 6 into n minus 2 whole square, which results in 6 into 3 minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 6. Okay, so there are total 6 smaller cubes which has one side painted. Okay. Now the next topic is smaller cubes with two painted faces. With two painted faces. Okay. So first we draw the diagram to understand this more accurately. Let me take another color here. Suppose this is the required cube. Okay. So our required portion which we need is these portions, these yellow lined portions. Okay. Okay, so such cubes are the middle cubes, and they are attached with edges or sides as shown in the figure. And as a cube has 12 edges, hence number of smaller cubes having two surfaces painted in a large cube is 12 multiplied by n minus 2. If we take n equals to 3, therefore the results will be 12. Okay. Now jump to the third one. Smaller cubes with three painted surfaces. With three painted surfaces. Okay. So first we try to draw the diagram and try to understand which are the portions which have three painted surfaces. So this is the required picture, and we can say that such cubes which has three painted surfaces are corner cubes. Okay, as a cube has 8 corners, hence the number of smaller cubes, hence the number of smaller cubes having three faces painted is always 8. Okay, now jump to the fourth one, that is smaller cubes with no painted surfaces. With no painted surfaces. Okay, so for this the diagram should be a normal cube with no color. Okay, and such cubes are inner, central or nuclear cubes. Such cubes are inner central or normal or nuclear cubes. Okay, and they are invisible in this figure. We cannot draw this nuclear or inner central cube. As we know, number of inner central cubes is equals to n minus 2 whole cube, and if n equals to 3, then we can say that it is nothing but 1. Okay, now see one example to understand this properly. Suppose a cube of side 4 cm is painted black on all of its surface. Painted black on all of its surfaces. Okay, and then divided into various smaller cubes of each side 1 centimeter. Then the smaller cubes so obtained are separated. The smaller cubes so obtained are separated. Therefore, the total number of cubes so obtained is 64. That is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 1 multiplied by 1 into 1, that is equals to 64. And here small n is equals to 4 divided by 1, that is the side of bigger cube divided by side of smaller cube, which results in 4. And then the number of smaller cubes with the 3 surfaces painted, the number of smaller cubes with 3 surfaces painted is equals to 8. Now the second question is number of smaller cubes with 2 surfaces painted is 12 into n minus 2, which is results in 24. And the number of smaller cubes with 1 surface painted is 6 into n minus 2 square, which results in also 24. And lastly, the fourth question is number of smaller cubes with no surfaces painted is n minus 2 whole cube, which results in 8. Here n is equals to 4. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.